Okay, so I've got a story. Green Mandarin essential oil has been a go-to of mine lately, and this essential oil is actually a little bit green in color. Can you see that? Um, this is a citrus, but it has a deep aromatic aroma to it as well. And I just love the story behind it because where doTERRA sources this from, the green mandarin is actually the unripened fruit from the red mandarin tree. So what happens is there's a thinning process where they have to harvest the unripe fruit so that the ripened fruit can then flourish. It's that idea of pruning. So they actually end up removing like 70% of these fruits when they're unripened, green mandarin, and let the remaining 30% go ahead and ripen into red mandarin. And before, this fruit would have been just wasted. It would have been, I mean, not wasted, it decomposes on the ground and, goes back to the soil and all of that. So that's helpful. But I just love that now, because of the unique chemistry and amazing therapeutic benefits of green mandarin, that they actually extract the essential oil from the green mandarin fruits, and we can use it in the form of this potent essential oil. And how I really love to use it is just how I showed you. I put it in my hands, I take a deep breath. I often will dab some on my wrists as well. There's some great acupoints right here for calming the nervous system. And I will also do that a little bit behind my ears, particularly because when you do this behind your ears, it's a great way to continue to smell that essential oil when you're applying it here. I remember when I first started using the doTERRA essential oils, I thought, wow, I can really smell these, because I had used other essential oils before and they just didn't have the potency. So anyway, one of the practices that I actually shared this month in our oil community was using green mandarin with ginger essential oil, because it's something that I've been doing lately. I've been loving ginger for the digestive support. It's a warming oil, so it really stokes that digestive fire. And so what I showed them was a couple finger widths below the belly button is a nice point in acupoint language. It's I believe it's I don't know what it is. I'm not even going to say. Anyway, it's 2 finger widths below the belly button. And I applied the ginger essential oil there. So you just apply that to your finger and then massage that into that point, like 10 to 20 times, we'll say. Make some circles around it. And you could also just take some ginger on your hand, dilute it, of course, with some fractionated coconut oil or another vegetable oil, and apply it to your stomach in a clockwise motion. That's a nice digestive support too. But that particular point is helpful. And then what I did is I would take the green mandarin and add a drop of that. So I have the ginger on my hands and then the green mandarin, and then take that and put it here on my third eye. And just inhaling deeply with that on your forehead with your hands there is just such a beautiful way to get the aroma. But that's just a beautiful calming point as well. And just to go from here to maybe even over your heart, and then here over your forehead, just this mindful way to use the essential oils, I think, is so important, because there is really power in the energetic qualities that they have too, and of course the therapeutic benefits that absorb into your skin from the physical application. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. I love the stories behind the oils. I love how doTERRA sources them so consciously and intentionally. And if you use green mandarin, I would love to know how you love to use it. You can share in the comments. And if you're totally new to this, of course, I can help you with that. So I'll leave a link here in case you're wanting some more information and wanting to explore essential oils more.